ABC Speaking Academy.
Self-introduction in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves in a fun and exciting way. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hello, boys and girls. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jasmine. My name is Jasmine. I am 11 years old. I am 11 years old. I live in Singapore. I live in Singapore. My father is an engineer. My father is an engineer. My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My favorite color is pink. My favorite color is pink. My favorite fruit is cherry. My favorite fruit is cherry. My favorite subjects are science and math. My favorite subjects are science and math. I like to eat chocolate and pizza. I like to eat chocolate and pizza. I love playing volleyball and badminton. I love playing volleyball and badminton. I want to become a scientist. I want to become a scientist. Hello, boys and girls. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ray. My name is Ray. I am 12 years old. I am 12 years old. I live in Brussels. I live in Brussels. My father is a businessman. My father is a businessman. My mother is an accountant. My mother is an accountant. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. My favorite fruit is grapes. My favorite fruit is grapes. My favorite subjects are math and science. My favorite subjects are science and math. I like to eat hamburger. I like to eat hamburger. I love playing soccer and basketball. I love playing soccer and basketball. I want to become a policeman. I want to become a policeman. Hi, my name is May and I am 13 years old. Hi, my name is May and I am 13 years old. My birthday is on December 21st. My birthday is on December 21st. I am from the Philippines. I am from the Philippines. I live in Makati City. I live in Makati City. There are 7 people in the family. There are 7 people in the family. My father is an attorney. My father is an attorney. My mother is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. I am student at St. Nicholas School. I am student at St. Nicholas School. My hobby is playing guitar. My hobby is playing guitar. My favorite food is salad. My favorite food is salad. My favorite drink is lemon juice. My favorite drink is lemon juice. My favorite month is February. My favorite month is February.